Just a reminder, when you get started, I oil this machine every time I start doing new videos, which means every day. It makes the machine run smoother, sound quieter, and if you ever get some kind of tangles and knots, that could be just your machine asking for a little oil. So in this video, we're going to talk about the start-stop button and the speed control. So yes, when you step on your foot control, you'll be sewing at a speed that is up to you. So if you slow that down, this is max speed right now, which is great if you're helping a youngster learn how to sew and kind of getting them used to guiding the fabric. Or for us adults, just taking our time and sewing a little slower. This slide will adjust the speed. Now, another thing that we associate the speed control with is also the start-stop button. Now, as we talk about stitching out all your decorative stitches, like we talk about in the BERNINA Stitching Cosmos online course, and we'll put links below this YouTube video so you can learn how to make the ultimate stitch book and stitching them all out. My little tip to you is to use the start-stop button. Now let me just pick another stitch just so it doesn't just be a straight stitch and go really fast, is to touch and hold the green button until it starts, and you're going to know that it will actually be stitching without me holding the foot control, which is great. And that same button, even though it's not lit up, touch it and it will stop the machine from sewing. So if you ever forget your foot control when you go to a class or an event, you can still sew. Now you probably are going to find a happy speed so that the machine is not racing away on you so quickly. So being able to slide that up or down as necessary. So before I run out of fabric, I'm going to just stop the machine. But do note you do need to hold this for just a little longer than just a one touch for it to start, and then again you can use that to stop the machine. When we get over to the embroidery side of the BERNINA 570, this will be your start and stop button for making the embroidery stitch out. So that will be a button we'll use quite a bit over there. But try it out. You might actually like using that for sewing, or at least for doing all your decorative stitches.